Hello everybody and welcome back to this new tutorial dedicated to the Master Trend Dashboard Indicator. As you can see, the Master Trend Dashboard is a very elaborate panel, a professional instrument for a professional analysis. The indicator, specifically designed for the Forex market, is customizable in all its features, colors, values, and symbols. Now let's examine all its components. The entire left side of the dashboard is dedicated to navigation. You have the up and down arrows to change time frames, the left and right ones to zoom in and out, while the symbols will allow you to easily scroll from one currency pair to the other. Now let's move on to the right side of the panel. When the upper portion of the Master Trend Dashboard is colored green, the symbol, the arrows, the callout, and the price, the indicator is signaling a bullish trend or tendency. Vice versa when it's colored red. Light red and green define a tendency, while dark red and green define a price action signal. The next section, percentage rates, relays the net change information about the market from a daily to a yearly basis, providing the indicator's first confluence information. Then we have the open breakout device. It indicates for every time frame if the market is breaking previous highs and lows. The color of the perimeter of the square indicates the current candlestick's color, but when the square gets filled in, we have a previous low break-in and a previous high breakout. Needless to say, this is the second confluence information provided by the Master Trend Dashboard. Right below the open breakout, there's the volume ticks counter, a precious instrument which essentially and very practically tells us for every time frame about the whiteness of the candlesticks that are being formed. The following section is the algorithm study. Here we have the RSI at the top and the money flow index at the bottom expressed in algorithmic terms from the 1 minute to the daily time frame. Of course, the RSI and MFI values can be customized from the settings, and here we have the third confluence information relayed by the indicator. Moving on, we have the seasonal statistics. You can set the reference time span for the indicator to analyze, and it will give you the daily, weekly, and monthly statistical forecasts for every currency pair. Last but not least is the value correlation panel, a fundamental instrument to assess the relative strength of every currency. The device shows the net change, price, and points variation for every basket of currencies, and this is the final confluence information provided by the Master Trend Dashboard. As you can see, almost everything you need to know about the market in one tool, professional, easy to read, and a great signals provider. Having this instrument in your arsenal will greatly improve your general understanding of the market and your operative skills. That's all for today's tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.